cabin crew, the seats for landing, please. Thank you.
The day before it's the world. Hold on, stop, wait a minute, look around. Can someone explain it? Well, hold on, let's deal with it here now. Before the walls come crumbling down, 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 down.
in yet another on-time flight. Last year, over 90% of Ryanair flights landed on time, beating every other European airline. Ryanair for the lowest fares and the best on-time record.
And ladies and gentlemen, Ryanair would like to welcome you to Rhodes on schedule. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the fasten seatbelt sign has been switched on. Please exercise extreme caution and opening the overhead lock is designed so your carry-on luggage may have become dislodged during your flight. For those passengers who smoke, we'd ask you to please refrain from doing so until you arrive in a designated smoking area. Passengers wishing to rent a car, Ryanair representatives. Their car is aboard and have a rental location inside the aisle.